Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing another question on integrated approach to medicine and straight away coming to the question, and the question is a 28-year-old female came to Obsen Gynae OPD for routine antenatal checkup. She is at 20 weeks of gestation. So important here is 20 weeks of gestation with no complaint. She is taking all medication but stopped prescribed iron tablets. So another important hint in the question is stopped prescribed iron tablets due to constipation. Her urine analysis shows trace proteins. Uterine fundal height correspond to 20 weeks of gestation. On further evaluations, she tells about urge to eat chalk and ice. Very important hint. She also tells her doctor that she sometimes feel that she is suffering from some kind of psychotic disorder. What is the likely diagnosis? So in this question, you can see that 20-year-old female, 20 weeks of gestation, stopped iron tablets, and what is the important hint? Here, see here. And what is this? This is pica. Urge to eat non-nutritive products. Most commonly, ice. Others can be chalk, hair, detergents, etc. So this pica, why patient is feeling urge to eat non-nutritive products? Because she is suffering from some kind of disorder which is associated with pica. Now you all know that pica is associated most commonly with iron deficiency anemia, and you also know that pica is also associated with zinc. You know that it is also associated with zinc, Zn. So but you all know that if the patient have zinc deficiency, there will be a diarrhea also. So zinc is, we can easily rule out, but here in the option we have also seen that iron deficiency anemia is given, and also she has stopped taking iron tablets. So answer to this question, we can easily say that it is iron deficiency anemia. But this question anyone can get it right, but the important, I am discussing this question here because why not other options? Why not preeclampsia? Why not this? Because you see here that trace proteins are given. Do we count trace protein in preeclampsia criteria? No, we never count in preeclampsia. Trace proteins are never counted. Never counted. We count proteins which are greater than or equal to 500, 300 mg in 24 hours. Trace proteins are never counted. Trace proteins are 0.15 to 0.3 gram per dl, gram per liter. So they are never counted in the preeclampsia. Why not Plummer-Vinson syndrome? So see here, Plummer-Vinson syndrome. So it is a triad of, Plummer-Vinson syndrome is a triad of, you all know that, iron deficiency anemia plus esophageal webs plus cheilosis. So due to esophageal web, patient complains of, most common complaint of the patient is dysphagia. And also patient complains of oral sores. But here in this question, none of this complaint is mentioned. So we can outrightly rule out this Plummer-Vinson syndrome. Normal pregnancy. Is it a normal pregnancy? No. It is a normal pregnancy, but she is giving a complaint. So this is not the answer. This is a normal pregnancy, but she is giving a complaint of urge to eat chalk. So normal pregnancy, there is no such complaints in normal pregnancy like this. So answer to this question is iron deficiency anemia. So this type of questions are in today's scenario are in current fashion, and these are currently asked in NEET examination and next examination, which is going to be held in next year. So I request you to kindly go through these type of question and try to practice as many question as possible in which they try to integrate the topics. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends, all those who are preparing for NEET examination and all those who will be appearing in the NEET examination. Thank you. Thanks for watching.